I hate this rain. I hate this rain because there's a river right in front of my house. That's not the worst of the river. This river is going down there, onto the road, then going down that ditch, way down that road. I believe that road's covered in water too. You know, water? Their pond, it looks totally different. It's getting water too. And all up here. That's kind of why I hate, you know, that guy up there. See, I planted grass right there today and now it's gone because of this what? I hate this what? I hate it so bad because it's thundering up there in the sky. And you can see the leaves that came on the trees. There's a gate down there, there's a pond, there's a tree. There's my mess I created. I'm gonna rip that whole yard up and replant it. And that has been the Blonda Lizard 54 story. And the time is 4:18 p.m. So, you know. So, I see you on a dry day. Or on Video King. Thanks for watching the Blonda Lizard 54 channel.